All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're unpacking something absolutely fascinating. We're going to deconstruct one of the most lucrative and rapidly growing niches on the internet right now, AI-generated psychology content. If you've been online at all recently, you've definitely seen these. They're those simplified, emotionally resonant psychology shorts, but what you probably don't realize is the absolute goldmine operating behind the scenes.
$45,000. Yep, you heard that right. According to analytics from vidIQ, that staggering number is the estimated monthly revenue being generated by a single channel in this exact psychology niche. And here's the real kicker. That channel is only 3 months old, literally 90 days. Achieving that level of financial success that fast is exceptionally rare, and it really just speaks to the massive, untapped demand for this specific kind of content. And if you want to understand the sheer speed of this growth, check this out. 3.2 million. That is the number of views a single video on this brand new channel received just 3 weeks after it went live. We're not talking about some slow, steady climb here. We're talking about explosive, viral engagement that is capturing millions of eyeballs almost instantly.
So you got to be wondering, how on earth is a 3-month-old channel pulling this off? How are they pushing out this level of quality, consistency, and virality totally from scratch? Well, that is exactly what we're breaking down today. Consider this your step-by-step masterclass on reverse engineering this phenomenal success.
Here is our roadmap to figure it out. 1. The viral channel blueprint. 2. Character and script generation. 3. Building AI visuals. 4. Animation and video production. And 5. The final edit. Don't worry if it sounds like a lot. It's actually just a sequence of super manageable phases.
All right, Section 1. The viral channel blueprint. Dissecting the anatomy of a hit.
Before we get into the tech, we've got to talk about the emotional core that makes these things go viral. Just listen to this actual script snippet. You were not born this way. The anxiety, the overthinking, the feeling that you're never enough, because every family has invisible roles. See how that instantly grabs you? It takes these complex psychological concepts like family dynamics or childhood trauma and boils them down into deeply personal, relatable statements. That is the secret sauce.
So how exactly do you scale that kind of emotional connection? Well, you use a very specific and totally free digital toolbox. We're using ChatGPT for our ideation and scripts, Whisk AI, specifically their flow dashboard for generating images and animation, 11 Labs for that pristine, professional voiceover, and Wondershare Filmora for our final editing and auto captions. The best part? You can navigate this entire stack without spending a dime.
Moving right along to Section 2. Character and script generation. Building the foundation.
To really stand out here, you need a unique visual avatar. And the workflow for this is actually super simple. Step 1, you find a reference channel and take a high-quality screenshot of a style you like. Step 2, you feed a master prompt into ChatGPT to customize the face, the eyes, and the clothing to make it your own. Step 3, you take that shiny new ChatGPT prompt along with your original screenshot and just paste them right into Whisk AI. Give it a minute, and boom, you have a completely original professional avatar.
Now, with your character locked in, we turn back to ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting for ideation. By pasting in just one master idea generation prompt, ChatGPT will instantly spit out 20 different video ideas. But it doesn't stop there. It actually scores each idea, automatically picks the most viral concept, creates a fully optimized title, and even writes the text for your thumbnail. It's literally acting as your entire creative strategy team.
Once you've got that winning topic, the next step is completely seamless. You just drop that topic right into a master script prompt back in ChatGPT, hit generate, and instantly you're handed a complete, logically structured script, and it's perfectly tailored to that specific psychological format we know drives massive engagement.
Okay, Section 3. Building AI visuals, from words to images.
So our script is good to go, which means it's time to build the visual blueprint. We aren't just guessing what the video should look like here. We take that finished text script, feed it right back into ChatGPT, and tell it to break the script down line by line. ChatGPT then generates highly detailed image and video prompts for every single scene. Your text literally transforms into a ready-to-execute storyboard.
Now it's all about execution. First, open up the Flow dashboard in Whisk AI and select the avatar we made earlier. Step 2, paste in your very first ChatGPT image prompt. Step 3, make sure your ratio is set to landscape so it looks right on standard video formats. Step 4, click Generate. Then you just repeat the process.
Yeah, it's a little repetitive, but this is the absolutely critical step to getting perfectly consistent static scenes for your entire script.
Next up, Section 4, Animation and Video Production, bringing images to life.
This is where the magic really happens. We're going to take that folder of static scenes and turn it into a full-blown cinematic experience. See, Whisk AI's Flow Dashboard isn't just for making flat images. It's the actual engine that's going to animate our entire project. We're taking those landscape images we just generated and injecting them with fluid, cinematic motion.
Here's how you actually build that animation. Inside Flow, Step 1 is changing your generation type from image to video. Step 2, select the ingredient option and keep that landscape ratio. Step 3, upload your first static scene image and paste in the matching video prompt ChatGPT gave you earlier. Step 4, hit generate, download the awesome new animated clip, and repeat for every scene. Your storyboard is officially a dynamic collection of video files.
And finally, Section 5, the final edit, synthesizing the viral product. This is the big moment where we take all those disjointed audio and visual pieces and stitch them together. But before we open our video editor, we need a killer voice. Go over to 11 Labs Text-to-Speech. You're looking for a clean, professional voice. The Josh profile is highly recommended for this kind of vibe. Pasting your full script, carefully tweak the settings for speed, stability, and similarity so it sounds totally natural, and then generate and download your master audio file.
All right, now we drag everything into Wondershare Filmora. Step 1. Import your numbered video scenes and that 11 Labs audio file right onto the timeline in perfect order. Step 2. If your AI tools left behind any watermarks, like that little Viore mark, just use keyframes to subtly scale and crop them right out of the frame. Step 3 is absolutely crucial. Align your video clips perfectly with the voiceover. Every single visual has to match the spoken word. And Step 4, use the auto-transcription tool to whip up your AI captions.
To take this from looking amateur to truly viral ready, you've got to use these final polishing secrets. First, drop a smooth dissolve transition across all your clips. Make sure you detach and lower the volume of any weird background noise generated by the AI clips, so your voiceover stays super clean. Next, dive into your caption settings, pick some engaging fonts and shadows, and make sure you hit Save to All so it's consistent. Finally, throw an AI color enhancer filter over the whole timeline. It gives everything this amazing, bright cinematic finish. And boom. Just like that, you've created a fully animated, emotionally gripping AI explainer. Honestly, when you break it down into these systematic steps, it goes from feeling totally overwhelming to completely achievable. The real secret now? Just doing it consistently.
I want to leave you with one final thought today, tying right back to that psychology content we talked about earlier. If invisible roles dictate our behavior, what role will you choose to play in this incredible new landscape of AI creation? The tools to build a massive, highly successful channel are literally sitting right in front of you, completely for free. So, are you just going to be a consumer, or will you step up and play the role of a creator? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I seriously cannot wait to see what you build.